Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a JavaScript error occurred in the main process on your Discord. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager and basically end all the tasks related to Discord here on the Task Manager. Here, and Task, and do with all of them here. Should end, and then on the system tree here with Discord as well. And then what you need to do here next is to press Windows key and R and just write %, appdata %, press OK, and then go to Discord and delete this folder, right? And after you delete the folder here, then close this window, then press Windows and R key, and then just write %local appdata %, press OK, locate the Discord server here, the Discord folder, I'm sorry, and then delete this folder as well. And then what you need to do here is to go to discord.com and download Discord again, all right? And the problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.